So you work in the additive manufacturing lab. So can you talk about how your work in that lab has maybe influenced your understanding of engineering concepts and innovation?
Oh, of course. That's what I just had a one-on-one with my supervisor and we were talking about like I don't know what I would have done without this internship. I randomly was applying. I was like nobody's going to hire me like first semester back. Um Dimitri was like you're an actual adult and you have the most unique resume I've ever seen. Please come in.
So learning the CAD software, and you said you use PTC on Shape. So and has that been pretty easy for you to pick up?
Um yeah, pretty much. At first I just felt so scared and like kept putting it off and I was like, yeah, yeah, yeah. But then, oh, getting into it, it's like, oh, yeah. I mean, like, and
Right.
that's
You know,
what,
we do have to
yeah,
crawl before we can walk, Christine.
I know. I just feel like these 20-year-olds, like, who I could be their mother, are just like flying through it. And I'm like, okay, let me make a mug. And but no, oh my gosh. Luckily, and I think that's part of, um, like from that life is taking initiative and like figuring it out. Like I'll just, yeah, go and watch a tutorial or ask questions. Like everybody's here to help.
Do you have any advice that you might give other people who are in a non-technical profession right now and they're thinking of making this pivot like you did? Do you have any advice that you would give to others?
Reach out to somebody in that field. Like go on LinkedIn, go or just within your area, just ask somebody to talk to them. Like if you think you want to do something, just go talk to them. Like luckily my family was full of engineers. So like finding somebody was super easy. But then even the first person I talked to at Ohio State at the School of Engineering was unbelievable at answering every question. Like she understood I was completely changing my life. So oh my God, was so helpful. She even had people for me to reach out to. Just everybody is there to help you. And like definitely my first time going through college, you don't understand that. And you think everybody's cutthroat. And even, I mean, in school and in the culinary world, food styling, it is cutthroat. But engineers or like anybody else, they are more than willing to talk to you and help you figure out what to do. So that's my biggest thing is just reach out to someone doing what you want to do and
All
they're
right.
happy to talk to you.